Hi everyone, so welcome to another academic video. Thanks for stopping by and joining our channel. In the comments I get some really lovely questions about what it's like to be a lecturer. So today is going to be a UK lecturer quickfire Q&A. My subject is physics. I really love physics. I've been a lecturer now for 4.5 years. I'm the one who writes my lectures. If I'm inheriting a lecture course from another academic, I might get given some module materials, there might be some lecture prep already done for me, but academics, we are, well, in my case, we are responsible for writing our own lectures. Yeah, I do my own marking as well. So I can be marking maybe laboratory reports, I might mark essays, examination papers, I actually mark PhD theses as well. So yep, as a UK lecturer, there can be a lot of marking. I teach at the moment year 1, so I teach them some fundamentals of physics, and then I teach the master students as well. I have a laboratory class and a coding / experimental group project class that I run as well. Contact time is something that we use in university to describe how many hours we see the students actually within the classroom or the lecture theatre or a lab class. I certainly do get to do research. It's a key part of my job. So my job role as a UK lecturer is part research, part teaching, and part taking on some kind of duty to help the department run. Yeah, I do work some weekends. I really try to maintain a good work-life balance. It's sometimes easier said than done. Sometimes I have coursework deadlines to mark for students. I might have classes to prep. It might coincide with a research conference or a research paper that our group is working on and writing up. So yes, I do work some weekends. The university pays my salary. When I started, I was actually part sponsored by an industry fellowship, but now, yeah, the university pays full-time for my lectureship salary, so it's quite nice. I get a paycheck coming in every month. When I'm not teaching or undertaking research, there are a lot of activities that I'm involved with within the department. Specifically at the moment, I am the physics admissions tutor. I love going to conferences, networking, hearing other people's research, sharing our own research. Conferences are one of the best parts, I think, of the job. Yeah, impact factors. They're a way of assessing basically the reach and the prestige of a scientific journal. So they allow you to evaluate, is your work going to be read if you put it into this particular journal, and is the journal well regarded by the research community. One of the tough bits, I think, of the job is when you've got to deal with students who may be undergoing a board or disciplinary for plagiarism or for cheating. It's not the worst bit of the job, it just is one of those things that you have to do. One of the best things by far has to be going to the graduation ceremony. It is so lovely to see students that have kind of progressed through all the years at university, and now they get awarded their degree. We have it at a cathedral at the university that I'm at. It's a beautiful day, lots of celebrations. The channel is staying, so Dr. CST as a YouTube channel is definitely going to stay. Thank you so much for joining the channel, leaving your comments, helping us grow this academic community here on YouTube. I've got a couple of new ideas for 2022. just ways that hopefully we can increase our kind of community chat and share best practice and ideas and help each other as we go through our career journeys. But yeah, I'll still be here every Monday releasing an academic video. Please do leave me in the comments anything you'd particularly like to know about what it's like to be a university lecturer. As I said, I will be back every week, so I will see you all next Monday. I hope whatever you're doing is going well. We are now in the last week of semester before we break for our winter vacation, so just a few days of teaching left. So yeah, take care of yourselves and I will see you next Monday. Bye.